everyone, and welcome to this month's video for the 2019 Pinspiration collaboration. All participants will be in the description box below, along with the pin that inspired me this month. What I wanted to do is, I don't have enough cards, so whenever I want to send a package or something like that, I never have the right type of card. So what I wanted to do was just make some general sentiment cards with some of my scraps. I have a ton of scraps, so I'm trying to find pins that I can use my scraps for. So what I did was I came across this really simple card idea, just using some 1-inch strips, 1 by 4-inch strips of scrap paper. And then, of course, I just pulled 2 different sentiment stamps. And then I have some white cardstock. These are A2 size cards. And then I found I had some twine with like a copper color, brown color glitter. I don't know what you call it. String or, thread that wraps around it that I found that actually matched the paper that I was using. The paper that I'm using are some scraps from Graphic 45's Portrait of a Lady. These came from the 12 by 12 paper and solids. And then, of course, I had a tag die that I used to stamp or die cut the tags. I used 2 different sizes. And then, of course, like I said, I used 2 different sentiments, just some general thinking of you and hello. And then I inked the cards and the paper all with the Tim Holtz Distress ink in walnut stain. So very, very simple. And what I did was I made 8 cards. And like I said, they are just really very simple cards. And then the strips of paper, what I did was I fishtailed them, and then I offset them according to the pin that I used. So I thought they came out really, really nice. Great way to use your scraps. Very simple, very fast. You can make these. I think I probably made all of these. I think it took a half an hour, and that was with cutting, stamping, die cutting, inking, the whole 9 yards. Just a half an hour to create all 8 cards, even tying the bow. And the bow I just attached with some liquid adhesive. And the tags, what I did was, I don't know if you can see, oops, I kind of popped them up on some foam dimensionals. And then, of course, the inside of the cards are just plain. So that way I can put a sentiment or a little letter, a note, just really simple cards that I can send with like Happy Mail, a gift, that kind of thing. And just, letting somebody know that I'm thinking of them, saying hello, that sort of thing. So like I said, I have made 8 cards, and the link for the pin that I used will be in the description box below. And please come back every month and check out all the other awesome collaborators in this collab. They're doing some wonderful pins, and I've actually saved several, so please check them out. And if you want to participate or create something every month, we post the last Saturday of every month at noon. My video this week is a little late. I had some technical issues. I tried to upload my video, so this is actually the second time that I'm doing this video. I don't know what happened. Somehow it got encrypted. I have no clue. So I had my husband fix everything. So hopefully this one will work. So I want to thank you for stopping. And like I said, if you'd like to participate, just send me a message. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe. Please subscribe to everybody that's in the collaboration. And I will see you in May. Have a good day.